it's Ishmael here. I'm going to do a quick demo to show you how you're going to be using the timesheets functionality on iStratgo to be able to record the time that and tasks or activities that you're going to be working on during this period from home. So what you want to do to kick off is you obviously want to go to the iStratgo website, which is iStratgo.co.za. You want to click on the top and then click login. Once you click login, you will take to the login page for iStratgo. Here what you're going to do is you're going to click login. Now before you do anything, because you're starting your day off, what we want to advise you to do is you want to do the clock in. So you want to clock in, and then once you have clocked in, you want to start tracking the activities that you're working on. So you're going to go on time tracking. Once you get on time tracking, add a new activity, right? And then under category, make sure that you select working from home. Select the task that you're working on. So for example, right now I'm going to be working on multimedia design. Leave the link option blank, and then here describe what you're working on. So here I can say I am working on KBC marketing material as an example, right? Once I come here, make sure that you select the date. So today's date is the 1st, and then leave this blank because you are not going to put the hours. You're going to track time in real time. So you're going to click here on the save button, and then you're going to see that this is the task that you want to, activity that you want to work on. It's a multimedia design, and then you're working on the KBC marketing material. And then what you simply do is click the start button. Now, when you click the start button, do not log out of iStratgo and do not close this particular browser. If you want to work on something else, all you need to do is actually go in and minimize and then work on something that you're working on. You can see here I can work on my a Word document. Now, just to go back to iStratgo, so let's say I've actually completed the task that I was working on. So if I've completed the task that I'm working on, what I'm simply going to do is I'm simply going to click stop, and then I'm going to add a new task. So here, for example, I'm going to add a third task. I'm going to call it Passport 360 support, and then the activity, I'm going to make the description as support. Again, I'll select today's date, the start button, and then click the start button. And then I'll continue doing my work, right? I can continue whether I'm working on a Word document or I'm working on other things or other applications. All I should make sure is that I've just minimized iStratgo, that I can always come back and stop the timer if required to. Now, at the end of the day, right? Once it's now the end of the day, what you want to do is you want to go back to your timesheets. Hopefully, if that's the page that is saved here, iStratgo only records in 1 minute intervals. So you can see this one is because if it was 00 is because I recorded less than a minute there. So I'm just going to leave this run to a minute so that I can actually record it, right? Also, if there are any information you need, please read these notes because they'll tell you in terms of the things that you actually need to do. Okay, so I've done my minute there. I'll say stop. You can see it has recorded my minute. What I then do at the end of the day is I mouse over timesheets, go to my timesheets, and then click submit timesheets. So here I'll be able to actually then submit the timesheets that I have. So what you want to do is you want to say select all and then submit that timesheet to your manager. You will see that here there will be nothing else. You can click the logo to go to the home page, and then what you also want to do is actually then clock out. So that's a simple way that we're going to be using to ensure that there's productivity during this period, but also so that the managers know exactly what tasks and activities that we have done. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy and stay safe.